so here we have the European long-nosed viper. The name long-nosed viper comes from its nose. There's a talking thing that sticks out there, as well as where the name European long-nosed viper comes from. Here behind me, this is the Savannah monitor lizard. It's a female. This one is very childish and very easy to work with. This one here, this is the longest python in the world. It's a reticulated python. They grow more than 7 meters in length. And they are green anacondas. Green anacondas are the heaviest because they grow less than 6 meters in length. Here, well, these are brown brothers, these are puff adults. That's a female at the top, and this is a male here. These are one of the fastest striking snakes in the world, with the second longest venom. The second longest teeth. These ones here. And here, it's a Southern African rock python, still a juby. Here, you can see it. We have a spitter. Here. It's a wrinkle. I don't think you'll be able to see it. And here, we have the most cheekiest one, the Cobra. This one's venom is equivalent to a black mamba, but they don't inject the same amount of venom. Only a boomslang is the most amount of venom injection in Africa. So this is it's a red-tailed monitor lizard. And here we have the Cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, the Cobra. In Africa, the world's venomous snake, the longest venomous snake in Africa, it's a black mamba. Here it is. You guys are super. This is the main black mamba, the longest venomous snake in Africa. There's actually 2 of them. There's a male and a female. The female is hiding behind the rocks. And here we have a Nile monitor lizard. This guy is blind and deaf. He was found in a burning house. And yet in captivity is living a happy life, as you can see. He's growing. Came here once, way smaller than this. It is going And here, this is a white-throated monitor lizard. There's 2 of these. This is the oldest one that we have. The second one is hiding just under this rock here. They like to hide these guys. These guys are found in more rocky places. And those guys, the Nile monitor lizards, are found in water, in every river. Those by us. Here, again, these are the cousins of the black mambas. These are the green mambas. So we have 4 different green snakes in South Africa. There's a black mamba. There's a green mamba. There's a boomslang. There's a spotted bush, and there's a Natal green snake. All of these snakes are always mistaken for one snake, a green mamba, of which it's not true. They come in different color forms. So are their iris. If you come on the side, we'll be breeding from a Cobra species. That's a Snouted. That's a male Snouted Cobra species. The female, as you can see, it had coconut paper by the grass tip at the back. And more the side, we have a shedding for the Cobra here. This guy is shedding, not properly shed, though, still busy shedding. And our last python is a Western Diamondback Rattlesnake. Highly venomous snakes. Again, one of the fastest striking snakes that we have here in our enclosures. Our last one is on my left hand side, a breeding pair of yellow anacondas. Here they are. That's a male, that's a female at the top. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of your talk.